Can I install third-party apps on my LG Smart TV without breaking any terms of use?
Hello viewers. Today we are going to discuss a question that a lot of LG Smart TV users have. Can I install third-party apps on my LG Smart TV without breaking any terms of use? Let's dive into this topic and clarify all your doubts.
What are third-party apps?
When we talk about third-party apps, we are referring to applications that are not available on the official LG content store. These are applications that are developed by independent programmers or software companies, rather than by the manufacturer of the device itself.
Can I install third-party apps?
The answer to this question is not straightforward. Technically, yes, it is possible to install third-party apps on your LG Smart TV. However, doing so involves a process known as sideloading, which involves installing applications from sources other than the official LG content store.
Is sideloading apps legal and safe?
This is where things get tricky. Sideloading is not necessarily illegal, but it can be risky. Not only could you potentially void your warranty, but you could also expose your device to malware and other security risks. Therefore, it's crucial to remember that if you decide to sideload apps, you do so at your own risk. In terms of legality, each software has its own licensing agreement. If the third-party app's licensing agreement allows for sideloading, then it would not be considered illegal. However, sideloading could potentially breach the terms of use of your LG Smart TV.
What does LG say?
LG's terms of use generally discourage sideloading. They emphasize that users should only download apps from the LG content store, which has been specifically designed for LG TVs and rigorously checked for quality and security. In conclusion, while it's technically possible to install third-party apps on your LG Smart TV, doing so could void your warranty and expose your device to potential security risks. It could also potentially breach the terms of use of your LG Smart TV. Therefore, we strongly recommend sticking to the official LG content store for all your app needs. We hope this video has helped clarify the issue for you. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below.